Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Bhasha School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 47 and there is no SW today, and our topic name chapter 12. From chapter 12 we shall solve CBQ-1 and CBQ-2 in our class. My dear student, from this chapter these two CBQ is efficient for your half yearly exam. I repeat, only CBQ-1 and CBQ-2 is solved from chapter 12 and that is efficient for your half yearly examination. So you must do this two CBQ very carefully. Okay, I have already written these two CBQ on the board. Here CBQ number 1, here CBQ number 2. Now I shall start this problem. Okay, CBQ number 1. Shohid was born in 2008. Okay, A number question, how many days were there in 2008? B number question, convert the days into hours. My dear student, Shohid was born in 2008. My dear student, Shohid birth year is 2008. A number question, how many days were there in 2008? That means in 2008 how many days are there? That means in that year how many days are there? So in order to find out the days in 2018, at first we need to check this 2008 is leap year or not. We know that in leap year there are 366 days, but in the others year the days in a year is 365. Okay, now we check. How can we check 2008 is leap year or not? We divide that number by 4. If that number is divisible by 4, then that year is leap year. I repeat, if this number is divisible by 4, then this year is a leap year, but if it is not divisible by 4, then it is not leap year. I hope you have understood. Now we shall take question number A. Given that the year is 2008. Okay, now we divide 2008 by 4. 4 5 jar 20. Subtract 0. Next 1 0 is placed here. The 0 is placed here. In 0 4 goes in 0 times. The 4 zeros are 0. 8 is placed here. In 8 4 goes in 2 times. 4 2 jar 8. That means 0. So my dear student, 2008 is divisible by 4. So we can say this 2008 is a leap year. So now we write the 2008 is divisible by 4. So 2008 is a leap year. Okay, is a leap year. So there were 366 days in 2008, and this is the answer, 366 days. I hope you have understood. And our next question, convert the days into hour. That means in 2008 how many days are there? There are 366 days. We want to convert these days into hour and we get the answer of question number B. So we erase this and start to solve question number B. Okay, B number question. From A we get 2008 had 366 days. Okay, now 1 day equal to 24 hours. Now 366 days equal to how many hours? We do multiplication. 366 multiplied by 24 hours. Okay, here we show the multiplication. 366 multiplied by 24. 4 6 are 24, carrying 2. 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26, carrying 2. 3 4 are 12 plus 2, 14. Ons place down, so 0. 2 6 are 12, from 12 I write 2, carrying 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13. From 13 I write 3, carrying 1. 3 2 are 6, 1 7. So now we add 4 6 7 8. So 8 7 6 4 is the answer of this question. 8 7. Sorry, if we add 6 plus 2 we get 8. Okay, now 8784 hours is the required answer. 8784 hours is the required answer. Next we shall solve question number 2, CBQ number 2. At first we read the question. In a test cricket match, Mominul started batting at 9:20 and continued until 15:45. Okay, so until what time did Mominul bat in the 12-hour clock? Okay, in the 12-hour clock. How many hours did Mominul bat? So first of all, please notice the question. Mominul continued batting until 15:45. We want to convert this time into 12-hour clock. This is the solution of question number A. How many hours did Mominul bat? That means here you notice Mominul start batting 9:20 and continued it 15:45. So we subtract this 9:20 from 15:45 and we get the required answer. I hope you have understood. Now we shall start to solve. Given that Mominul batted until 15:45 in 12-hour clock. The time will be we just subtract 12:00 from 15:45 and we get the answer. That means 15:45 minus 12:00. Okay, now 05 that means 5, 04 that means 4, then 25 that means 3. So 3:45 that means 3:45 p.m. Okay, this is the answer. 3:45 p.m. My dear student, when you want to convert 12-hour clock a time, then you must subtract 12:00 from the required 24-hour time and we get the result. Okay, in every case the condition will be same. Okay, so A number question done. Next we shall solve question number B. How many hours did Mominul bet? So first of all we write given that. Given that Mominul started betting at 9:20 and he betted until 15:45. Now we want to find out the duration. So hour, minute. Here hour is 15 and it is 45. It is 9, it is 20. Now we do subtract and we get 5, 0, that means 5, 2 subtracted from 4 we get 2. Then 9 is subtracted from 15 we get 6. So 6 hour 25 minutes. So we write Mominul betted betted 6 hours 25 minutes. Answer 6 hour 25 minutes. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is the solution of your today's lecture. So my dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. You must practice this home more and more times. Okay, so your examination is knocking at the door, so please keep practice for your half yearly exam. My dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.